Hello, kids! Today, we're going to meet 20 amazing farm animals. We'll learn interesting facts about them and spell their names. Are you excited? Let's begin! Cows are friendly farm animals that give us fresh milk. They love to chew on grass all day and say moo moo. Did you know that cows have 4 stomachs? That helps them digest their food slowly. Now, let's spell cow. C-O-W, cow. Horses are strong and fast animals that help farmers carry heavy loads. Some horses even love to race. They can sleep while standing and say neigh neigh. Now, let's spell horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Sheep have thick, fluffy wool that keeps them warm. Farmers shear their wool to make soft clothes. Sheep love to stay in groups and say, ba ba. Now, let's spell sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Pigs are playful animals that love rolling in the mud. The mud keeps them cool on hot days. Even though they look messy, pigs are actually very smart. They say oink oink. Now, let's spell pig. P-I-G, pig. Hens are mother chickens that lay eggs. Their baby chicks hatch from eggs in just 21 days. Hens love to peck at seeds and bugs while saying cluck cluck. Now, let's spell hen. H-E-N, hen. Ducks love swimming in ponds. Their webbed feet help them paddle in the water, and their waterproof feathers keep them dry. They say quack quack. Now, let's spell duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Goats are playful animals that love to climb rocks and eat leaves. They can even balance on steep hills. A baby goat is called a kid, and they say me me. Now, let's spell goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Turkeys have big, colorful feathers and make a funny sound, gobble gobble. They can fly short distances and love to explore the farm. Now, let's spell turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey. Dogs are loyal farm helpers that guard the animals and keep the farm safe. They can also herd sheep and cows. Dogs love to play and say woof woof. Now, let's spell dog. D-O-G, dog. Cats are great hunters. They help farmers by chasing mice away from the barn. Farm cats love to nap in the sunshine and say meow meow. Now, let's spell cat. C-A-T, cat. Rabbits are small, fluffy animals with long ears. They love to hop around and nibble on carrots and grass. A baby rabbit is called a kitten. Now, let's spell rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Buffaloes are big, strong animals that help farmers plow fields. They also give us milk like cows. They enjoy cooling off in muddy water. Now, let's spell buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O, buffalo. Llamas are gentle animals with long necks. They help carry heavy loads in the mountains and have soft wool like sheep. Now, let's spell llama. L-L-A-M-A, llama. Pigeons help farmers by eating insects that can harm crops. They are smart birds that can find their way home from very far away. Now, let's spell pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Geese are large birds that love to swim. They have strong wings and make loud honking sounds to warn the farm of danger. Now, let's spell goose. G-O-O-S-E, goose. Hedgehogs are tiny animals covered in spiky quills. They roll into a ball to protect themselves from danger. Now, let's spell hedgehog. Hedgehog, hedgehog. Mice are tiny, fast animals that love to nibble on grains. They are often found in barns and say squeak squeak. Now, let's spell mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Donkeys are hardworking animals that carry heavy loads. They are very smart and love to be around people. Now, let's spell donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Roosters wake up the farm every morning with their loud cock-a-doodle-doo. They are the leaders of the chickens. Now, let's spell rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. Bats are nocturnal animals that help farms by eating mosquitoes and insects at night. They sleep upside down during the day. Now, let's spell bat. B-A-T, bat. Wow! We learned 20 amazing farm animals today. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. See you next time, kids. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to us for more videos.